Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since it's afternoon here, if you're watching this video at afternoon time, so good afternoon to you as well. Otherwise, good morning, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. This video is about Robert Frost, what the poets said or says about Robert Frost. John F. Kennedy, he says that Robert Frost is a poet of great genius. He is the authentic voice of New England and of the American countryside. His poetry is timeless and universal. It speaks of the human condition in all its complexity and diversity. The second poet, Harold Bloom. Frost was a master of the colloquial idiom and he captured the rhythms of everyday speech in his poetry. He had an extraordinary ability to make the ordinary seem extraordinary. And the third one, Muldoon. He says that Frost's poetry, means Robert Frost's poetry, is characterized by a deep sense of humanity, an acute observation of the natural world, and an unsentimental understanding of the human condition. His work is marked by a spare, unadorned style and a remarkable clarity of vision. Dana Gayo. Robert Frost's poetry is grounded in the real world, yet it has a profound spiritual dimension. His works is infused with a sense of wonder and a reverence for the mysteries of existence. The last one, elegant language. Robert Frost is one of the great poets of the great American tradition. His work is characterized by a profound sense of human experiences and appreciation for the natural world and an ability to capture the complexities of emotional and thought in simple, elegant language. So this was all about today's. I hope this video has been helpful for you. This video will help you if someone asks you or if you are asked in paper about Robert Frost. So you can put these proverbs which are said by the different poets of the literature, American literature, British literature, African literature.